All right, gang. Yeah, what's up? All right, all right, gang. Uh, oh, what? It's done. Hope everyone had a good weekend. We back to live markets tomorrow now. Got some good news from the government shutdown, so they're looking like they're gonna evade it. So the market could be green tomorrow morning, no questions asked. So I'm gonna look for a lot of beaten up names most likely, but I'm gonna wait for the market to open because I didn't know about this government shutdown until after I already made my watch list. So I'm gonna
Got you.
find a lot of fishing tomorrow. So um like I was saying Thursday session, I like how we held above the 200 on the daily. So kind of showed the same strength on Friday, even though we sold off. So that's why the candle was a little higher because we opened higher, but then we sold off most of the day because the government shutdown news was still hanging over us. But now it's over. So tomorrow, the main level that I'm gonna watch is gonna be around 431. Wait, not 431. Sorry. Let me look at my notes. Not 431. Because we close around 426. Oh no, no, actually we closed around 427. So I'm gonna watch 430.5, I think is a good zone. Let me check. Because I like 431 for sure, but I want to see if we get a sneaky entry around 430.5. So you know what, guys? These lines are driving me crazy, so I'm gonna remove them. All right. So this one, yeah, this is what I want to adjust. So 430, because if we get to 430.50, I'm super confident about going to 431 or even better after, because 430 is a good support zone, and it was a rejection type of area in the past week. So let's look at the downside, even though it's not gonna, I don't even think we're gonna go down like other news. So you see, I like this zone because it's the base of this candle right here. So has a lot of air before we even try to, like, we could take profit before we even try to reject. That's why I like that entry. If things go left, which I doubt it, I'm gonna most likely watch. I'll say watch 420s because the close is around 426. So I will say watch near the close. So I will say 427 will be a good area to watch to the downside. 427, even maybe a little sooner. Let's see what type of price action they give us. Let me see. Let me see. 427. 427.20. Let's see how that. So yeah, okay, that's not bad. All right, that's at least on the VWAP a little bit. Could slice down at least to here if it goes down there. So, but overall, I'm bullish. We already got like a double bottom on this RSI, almost like an inverse head and shoulder trying to build too. If we get a pivot build here to the upside, and the bears again a little weaker, so that's good news too. So the Qs look very similar to SPY. So there, look, that's the short level if it's gonna go short, which is 371.55. And I like the long level will probably just break of the Swick high, because if that goes, then we're definitely gonna go to the 50, in my opinion, which is around 366, which is not bad. So I'm gonna put an alert around here, the high break of that candle's wick, which I know is probably tomorrow morning, given because the news is probably gonna be in there already. So it's all right. We'll just watch it. Overall, that means that we should rip high if it's there already. So 363, I'll put 85. Give us some wiggle room. Let me, yeah, that's good. So yeah, the Qs at least could go up tomorrow, at least to My opinion, 366. Maybe better if it has a good volatile move, maybe $6 move. Let's get into some names. Oh no. Oh yeah, Apple, right? We talk about these guys before we talk about anything. So Apple. Apple built above the the 200 on Friday, so and it held. So Apple might not be a long, no, it might be a sorry, might not be a bad idea to long it like 2 weeks out, maybe three. Um, as long as it stays above this, what is this 171 mark? As long as we stay above 171, I think Apple continues to the upside. This looks like yeah, this looks good. So market is following trend. Everything looks bullish in my opinion right now. So let's talk about Microsoft. So Apple alongside, good idea. Microsoft gapped up a little bit or no? No, that's a wick. All right. So it didn't gap up. It just held a good level above this candle. It didn't visit these price levels prior days. So that's good. So Microsoft lining up to be good to the upside too, and it broke a resistance on the RSI. So that's good. So I will watch Microsoft tomorrow for longs. Not bad. Let me see around here. I'll put my alert to see if we get some continuation. So far, Apple and Microsoft look bullish. So market definitely looking strong. Microsoft, Apple, what else we like to talk about? Tesla, we like to talk about. Then Meta, and then we'll talk Google and Netflix to add in there. This one, yes. Let me see. Damn, I thought it was above. Okay, so we didn't get above the 50, but we did breach it, pull back slightly. It's okay. This looks good. Yeah, this looks good. So Tesla could go a little higher this week. Um, it reclaimed almost a 50 with power, just pulled back a little bit. So I think with this auto strike going on, it's probably that has a part in it. I'm really not too sure, but tomorrow we'll see. But I like kind of Tesla to the upside because if
Keep in
you
mind
draw a
it has
line, if you draw a line like this, following my cursor, guys, it's a head and shoulder pattern almost. So,
Yeah.
Tesla has delivery numbers tomorrow morning pre-market.
oh, thank you, bro. So look, there's data pending, so catalyst behind it a little, so that could help you decide which way Tesla's gonna go. Let's go. All right, so Tesla, let's talk about Google and Meta, and then we talk about what I see out there so far. I wish I would have knew about the government news before I made the damn watch list, but it's all right. It is what it is. Okay, so Google looks nasty on the like candlestick pattern wise daily, but it has potential to probably turn around tomorrow. We got to pull to the downside, but it wasn't heavy because this wasn't dark red and it's getting lighter. So Google probably give a good entry to go long. I'll say a bounce around 131.5 is a good area to watch because this is resistance around here. So if it does pull back around there, I think it could continue and it could be it might be a fire swing in my opinion because it is a bouncy area that Google's dancing on. So let's talk about Meta. But Google looks like indecisive if I had an overall opinion of the chart. Like, oh, Google looks a little indecisive. Not an A++ setup, I'll say. So look, Meta looks kind of heavy too because of this big red candle rejection towards resistance. This is definitely rejection area. So Meta tomorrow, I don't know why it looks so nasty, but Meta don't look that healthy, and it's dark still. So the only one that looks bearish out of those charts is Meta. So if Meta's a real bear, I'll wait under the 50. So I'm gonna put an alert here just to see, but Meta looks heavy in my opinion, team. So Meta and Google, the ugliest out of those that I just spoke about. So let's talk about some names. So Friday, right? I liked how Walgreens was moving. So it's a small account friendly. Walgreens is a nice rip or ODTEs Friday. It was what it was the strongest candle out of like woof. What was that, 2.5 week sequence? We got a big rip on Friday. So I'm looking for some continuation. So tomorrow, depending when Walgreens is open, I don't know if it's gonna have like a rip back to upside. I mean, I got an alert here, but I got a feeling it's gonna open higher, given with the news too. So if it does sell off, I would just wait. If it does sell off, this will be like another area I think to watch Walgreens for a bounce to see if it wants to do a resistance test bounce. So I'm gonna put 45 by the 22, 45 because they got 22 and a halves. So if it bounces hard, it should go in the money right away. So Walgreens, I think, is a good one to watch the long side. I'm not, you guys can see these indicators, the MAC and the RSI is really strong. So, and of course, I'm gonna talk about Pfizer because I believe it has continuation, Pfizer too. Not the prettiest ever, but this is some ugly morning star on Pfizer. MACD looks good. And look, this is what I like about the MAC. It's still pink. So that gives me some type of indication that if the next one comes in, it could be a dark green one. So tomorrow I would wait for, of course, I'm pretty sure it's gonna pull back because it ripped hard on Friday. So the level that I will watch for a pullback entry on Pfizer, well, let's aim for around the resistance area to see if we get some reaction. So I'm gonna put an alert around here on Pfizer, the 33.20 area for the bounce. If it wants to go lower, I think this will be a next level. So of course we're gonna watch what type of candles we get once it gets to that alert area before we hop in. So these are the two areas that I predict Pfizer because this was like a bounce area right here on Friday. That's why I remember clearly. Because Pfizer, I was saying the chat gave like 3 attempts for 33 calls. So Pfizer looks good. Walgreens looks good. Let me see what I got. Let me see. Clorox.
Nice. I had Clorox as well, bro.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't even know Clorox ripped like that. That's wild. It's a fire chart.
Volume, bro.
Yeah, Clorox increased volume. This
That
guy,
looks clean.
these guys been getting smacked, like beat down with a stick. Like I feel bad almost. So tomorrow we could
It's
see
like the big.
definitely big opportunity to try to I think it wants to try to go at least to 130, maybe 133 tomorrow. We're gonna see. Um it's already at 133. After hours it moved. Hold on, let me check this after hour move because I know it moved after hours. 131 high was 131. Actually it was 132. So it already went to 130. So that's what I'm gonna try to get. If we could dip under 132, try to sneak in the 132 cause do they got the 130? It might be 132 and a half. No, they do. So they do have 132. So my entry will be around 130.20 if it pulls back. Let's look under 15, guys. But the volume is impeccable. I like the volume on that day. I like it a lot. Yeah, if we pull back, it's probably gonna be around here. So I'm gonna put an alert here. Let's do one. And then, like I told you guys, I'm definitely gonna watch around 130. 137. So these two levels are my levels on Florax.
They just took profits, you know?
Yeah, they're gonna probably take profits and then we could probably sneak in there for the 132s. I like the 132s a lot. So yeah, Clorox fire on the daily too. It's just kissing on the RSI, so that's good. It hasn't ripped through. So RSI looks good. We already in pins, but I'm gonna just talk about it and why I got in it. So why I got in pins, I mean you guys could see it clear as day. So we got in right after this pivot bounce on the daily, and I didn't even notice it gapped up on the day. So we got it on a gap up day. So chances are we're gonna open higher. So I think we open higher, and I think we should take profits because they're probably gonna sell it off a little bit. And if anything, if it's a solid, strong bounce for continuation, then you'll get in again. But we looking good on the swing. Everything is saying we should open good. This already green too. We got it on the first green MACD change. So this was a good swing entry, in my opinion. So where can I think it could go to? At least to right here. If we get some good play, like so 27.5 almost. All right. We'll see how we open tomorrow. But I like pins. Next on the list, I got this one. This one, I don't know. It's not. It had like bad news, and then I don't know. It gapped up. And it's crazy because it's a red candle. I think this one is gonna be tricky to play. You know what? I don't like this chart. I'm gonna disregard this one. So Dallas, DAL, Delta Airlines. Yeah, it looks ugly. I know it doesn't look pretty, but these indicators look strong so far. It looks like we might get some recovery. Now, mind you, we've been already downside. We got the good news now. That's why I said maybe tomorrow. And I was already bullish on this. I wasn't bearish when I initially took this out of my watch list. So the level that I'm watching is above my 9 on Delta Airlines. Might want to watch all airlines if this one blows. Pretty sure Boeing will follow. We're beginning a new month, so Boeing looks good. Okay, so then eBay looks fire. I like eBay. Talk about eBay. eBay put a nasty candle. I'm not gonna lie, Doji, but the Doji didn't really get sold off heavy. It stood right on the 50 basically. So we're at a super buy zone on eBay. So that's why I like it. Heavy consolidation around here already. Something's got to give, in my opinion. This looks good upside, and this looks good upside. So I'll be patient. I'll wait till we get above here to get into eBay. So 45. Let's do 45.05. Maybe it could squeeze and rip. Maybe it could rip. So eBay looks good. Maybe Amazon will go. If eBay will go. Let's see. Rivian looks good too, I think. I like Rivian. Let's see Rivian. Yeah, Rivian looks good, guys. I know there's a lot of green candles, but we can't really follow. You know, you gotta follow the technicals you see. So what do we see? Nice double bottom, breaking this major resistance area. That's good. So this is potential price area where Rivian could go this week. So everything's pretty
Upside of
much.
Sorry.
Now go ahead, bro. You was gonna say something?
My bad. I said I got the macro alert already for us. My bad.
No, you good. So yeah, Rivian looks good to the upside team. I don't see anything really bearish. Soon as it cracks around here, I will definitely watch it. If Rivian moves, go to Lucid. Okay. Lulu. check out Lulu. Lulu looks nasty, I ain't gonna lie, but it's got a trend line that is ready to, I think, try to breach tomorrow. So I'm gonna put my alert here. 35. We're on a downtrend and the RSI snitching, in my opinion. MACD slightly too. So F these candles, these ugly red candles. And the bears didn't really do anything. They were just moving like a ping pong back and forth. Price action gapped up on Friday, still couldn't bring it down. So show some type of relative strength. So this alert right here that I put, and I literally just noticed I added this alert above this wick bounce. So this, I think that's a good entry. I'm gonna leave it just like that. Guys, Nike might recover all that sell-off it did on Friday, so you might want to check out Nike tomorrow off the bounce on good ER. This one looked interesting. I never played it. Argo Group International. All right, it's at a big level right here. So let me see. Okay. Oh wow. Yeah, this is definitely one. This might squeeze or something, so I'm gonna definitely put an alert, guys. RSI is bullish. MACD super bullish in my opinion. So I'm gonna watch this one tomorrow above 90. The closer to the $1.30, the higher chance most likely is gonna go to 30 in my opinion. So yeah, watch this one upside. Let me see this red candle I seen here. Yeah, I just want to see what this rejected, but yeah, got some room on this one. If we catch it, it'll be a first time for me. All right. Oh, sorry. Argo looks good. What else? Charge point, small account, might squeeze tomorrow, in my opinion, as well. It looks like it's done selling. Put it in red candle. This looks good to squeeze up, and this looks good. So it's been putting in red candles, but these red candles ain't showing a lot of strength to the downside. It's staying in one area for like 4 to 5 days, maybe more. So charge point, easy entry will be most likely around here. So let's do 30, 530 for the 550 calls.
Support AF.
Or go to 6 for next week to be safe. Print. SoFi, another small account friendly one. SoFi. Let's get it, SoFi. Okay, SoFi. I think above the 50. Yeah, let's say around here. Watch SoFi. That's a little bit above the wick too. So you could get the 840, 850, 8.5 calls. Everything looks good. Yeah, this looks good. And the Mac looks good too. See some I got UPST on my list too, so they're like little brothers, big brother type of vibe here. Upstart looks honestly stronger. Yeah, Upstart looks slightly stronger. If I draw a trend line from here down, it will crack the trend line and it's already above the 9. So Upstart looks strong for real. I'm gonna watch Upstart here too. So we got Upstart, Affirm. Bank journey is like 2 weeks away, 2 weeks if I'm not mistaken, maybe a little more. So if you're a believer in banks, I think sorry, I think this week is actually the entry point if you want to ride banks into an earning. Levi's, right? Levi's. I'm only talking about Levi's because I will be watching the IV play this week. So Levi. Crazy. Levi looks like it's gonna rip higher on the daily. Wow, it broke already with strength on the RSI. Yeah, I'll watch Levi's above here. the contracts is cheap, out the money, I might do a Nike on them. So Levi's, upside, earnings approaching. Next on the list, ET. Let's see. Oh, I was thinking ET to the downside, but so ET, I don't think it's gonna go down. This thing's been slowly climbing. So I want to get in before 14. So I'm gonna watch it here. This is one alert and the breakout alert, which is up here. But this thing has been just slowly glowing up, slowly since freaking August. So chart really still showing strength, higher pivot tool. All right, so that's a small account one. This one, I think Nami's still in this one. This one looks like an entry play for tomorrow. Morning Star, maybe. Not the prettiest, but we do got green doji. And the next candle could be strong to the upside. So I'll watch the around this price range. And this looks perfect for the recovery bounce. So
Yeah, on CNBC, they're calling that utilities are just eating shit because of rates. I don't know how bond rates actually affect utilities. Maybe they have to like loan out higher rates or something. So I think that's it's been eating shit the rest of it with the rest of the market. I thought it'd be a defensive play through this, but
let's see.
there's some fundamental bullshit for you.
Thank you, bro. Let's see
Yep,
what Planet Fitness. All right, Planet Fitness holding nice above the 9. Damn, I would have loved to get in earlier. 1, 2, 3 candles. All right, it's all right. We can watch it for tomorrow, maybe. Get some more steam. Bullish on Planet, and last but not least, I like X. I felt like I would have had more charts if I knew about the government stuff earlier, but just so what I got so far, gang. Sorry. All right, so X is breaking a nice macro big resistance. So this should be an easy one for tomorrow, easy money. Easy money tomorrow, I think. Let's wait until it goes to, matter of fact, fuck it, because they got 33.5 calls, so let's do 35, 33, 35 break on X. Yeah, we got a lot of space on the body up here, so let's see if it's real. And this looks good, very good, actually, very good. So X looks fire for the upside tomorrow. If X rips, I might go check out silver. I don't know. I don't know, silver. Let's check out silver now that we're talking about it. I don't know how it looks. I'm just speaking out my mind right now. Holy smokes, never mind.
yeah. I was glad you watched that. I just want to get your opinion on that one.
Wow, this is disgusting. This is bad. Um,
Precious
Next turn
metals,
green.
gold, GDX, they all ate shit, bro.
yeah,
FCX is about to eat shit. All the gold and precious metals looks shitty.
yeah. If wow, what if the news that hit tonight doesn't help them tomorrow, then yeah, it's straight to hell. I agree. Wow. So no, X looks totally different than silver. Never mind.
Silver
Any,
and
any
gold.
names, any names y'all want me to run through real quick? Don't mind.
Avgo, if anyone.
Avgo, let's go to Avgo. They were actually moving well last week, so okay. Okay, we still above on the RSI.
Mhm.
And Mac looks decent. Not bad. So Yeah, as soon as it crosses these EMAs, I think we got room to the volume profile line at least, and that's a good amount of dollars right there. 870, 871. So I would look for entry around here, my brother, if you really want this play. Think around here is a good entry. And then if it does want to I don't even think it's gonna sell off and pull back because Friday it was a little dip on them. Yeah, so yeah, I think once it gets above here, breaks this resistance, this double top zone, it's gonna be interesting around here. Yeah, brother. So early sneaky entry will be around here, my clap around here. I think the early sneaky entry to see what it's gonna do when it gets around here. This will be like the clear breakout. It'll probably be running by the time it gets here already, to be honest. But I like
I'm
it.
looking at like 850s, 850 calls, maybe 2 weeks out.
2 weeks
Or
out.
that's gonna be expensive, but my other alternative is to see how it flows till Friday and play the Friday ODTEs. But that's my
Mhm,
last resort. You
mhm.
know,
Yeah, but I like it overall.
Mhm.
Definitely. I got a little trend line. Nice. Yeah, I like it, bro. App go. All right, app go out. Add it to the list. Any other names, yeah? All right.
Seifer has BA and Roku.
but Roku.
Yeah, BA could reverse. So much bearishness on it was already. Yeah, just gotta wait until. Gotta break these highs of this candle. So I will wait till you get around here for BA. Tomorrow's gonna open probably greener. So tomorrow's probably gonna open around here. That's what I'm saying. They gotta crack that. I expect like everything to open greener just because of the news. Roku. Roku look good. I did skim through Roku. Roku look good. Yep.
I liked Roku too.
I
with
like
Seifer.
Roku. I
Yeah.
skimmed
Oh,
through it
baby. There you go.
and I completed and added. I definitely looked at Roku. Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah, I'm definitely. Hell yeah, Roku's fire, bro.
Cool.
Definitely Roku. I'll get a sneaky entry around here. Hopefully it rips through the 200. What's this? Let's do 10. 72.10. Maybe it could rip the roof here. Here will be my TP zone on Roku, and then let anything go after that. Yeah, Roku's fire, bro. BA is gonna provide some patience, but Roku's way better than BA in my opinion.
Mhm.
Thank you, G. Thank you, Nami.
Of course.
Sure, man. Hey Cam, I was wondering if you could check out JPM and XPEV.
Yeah, them China names rip, bro, on Friday.
I wonder if this is
And
gonna
Li,
go.
I don't know if you noticed Li Auto.
Yeah.
We'll talk about Li after X
Okay.
and
I
JPM.
wonder if this is gonna go with Tesla numbers. It's
Mm,
breaking the trend line, bro.
Chris
yeah,
Angel. Look at
fire,
Yo,
bro.
good eye, Mike.
Yeah, yep. This is gonna be a ripper if it goes with the news, like you said. So yeah, I'll watch this one. They got 19.5s. Yeah, they definitely do. Yeah, this looks fire, bro. JPM, let's talk about Li first, then JPM.
Cool. Wow, look at that.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Yeah, this was an end of the day ripper too.
Jeez.
Yeah,
On the 8, man. Wow.
right there. Just let it go. As it gets above that, it's gonna rip to the 50.
It's gonna
Swear.
gap.
It's gonna rip to the 50. Let me see.
Jeez.
Yeah, okay, so JPM.
I'm downside bias on this guy. I'm
Okay.
a short.
Yeah, I'm gonna be honest. Overall,
Same
me,
with all the banks.
like banks,
Yeah.
lazy shit, bro.
Yeah.
Like, I'll be honest. Like,
Same with GS and Morgan Stanley, bro.
I was like, yo,
Bond
if
yields.
anything right
Yeah.
now, bro, you fucking short that shit now into ER.
Yeah.
You can probably short
Bond yields.
XLF then.
Yeah, the bond yields keep on going up. They're gonna fuck these guys' saving rates and shit. They're gonna be
Super bearish.
unprofitable.
Super bearish, my brother. Look at
Okay.
it. It's almost a
Cool.
bearish engulf and just this little
Yep.
stick wick over here fucking it up.
So,
It don't have to be perfect. You don't know that. But yeah, man, this shit is super heavy, bro.
okay.
Even looks like a grizzly bear.
Yeah, I got lucky on that day. In and out that trade. Yeah, and this looks heavy too. This is about to leak. This or this Mac. Yeah. Yeah, good eye, bro. There you go. I mean, got some banks. I mean, JPM bearish, so you already know other ones could go down with it. So
Yeah, yeah, it's a leader for sure.
yes,
Both ways.
I agree, gang.
Leader of
I guess Ali's got spot too, bro, and that's the last one.
Spotify?
Yeah, thanks for your time, bro.
Of course. Spotify, little indecisive here on Spotify. I do like how it's bouncing off that 50 beautifully. It's already crossed over the 21 and the 9 right here, this little webbing. So I like how it held that. So Spotify. Yeah, Spotify could go. 10 change. I feel like it's just trying to scare traders with this red candle here. So Ali, I would just be prepared for both directions just to be safe. Like if it goes under, I guess you could short if it's heavy, but these indicators is telling me that it wants to go up. The only thing really ugly is the candle, I'll be honest. But the candle is above the 21, the VWAP, you know, so that's good. So I will wait for spot to get at least here to go long on spot above that red wick of that Friday. So wait until it gets there for long. If decides to tank, if it will have to be, in my opinion, all the way down here, which is gonna be right on the 50 basically, because I expect spot if it does go there to slice under there a little bit, not stay under, but you know, slice and maybe visit this price level on the wicks and then try to bounce. So you print real quick and get out. But the long side looks good, but I'll just be prepared for both sides just to be safe. Because this could be a lower high rejection and you know, the market could, you know, these indicators will just completely get knocked off just because of lower high rejection. There's a double top, there's another rejection. Low key, this is kind of a rejecting area too. So, you know, keep that in mind, but just be prepared for both sides.
Cam. Thanks, man.
So I'm gonna let y'all go.
Thanks for everything.
Futures, so good luck with futures. I'm gonna trade it tomorrow. Take a break.
Good job.
Alright,
All right, good luck, gang.
Right
I'll
about.
see ya in the morning. Let's kill it.
Sounds good.
Oh, and one more thing. I'm watching Levi's, McCormick, and Tilray, right? Those are the ERs that I'm watching. Let me make sure. I just want to verify. McCormick is the first one on the list. So just want to keep you guys. I think there's one more. Hold on, gang. My bad. Let's try to go. Oh, and Canagra, CAG, CAG. Those four. Those are gonna be the IV watches for the week. Let's see if we could catch them.
Hell yeah.
We
bro.
will.
Appreciate that, man.
All right, gang.
Thank you.
Good one.
All right, man. Thank you. All right, bro.